Hi everyone, so today we'll be covering on analytics. All right, so let's dive into this module right now. All right, so what's analytics, right? Analytics is the systematic and computational analysis of data or statistics. So what is Google Analytics? All right, Google Analytics is actually a web analytics service offered by Google that actually tracks and actually reports website traffic currently as a platform inside the Google marketing platform brand. So Google Analytics actually offers group information on actually that arrives at the website according to the audience, the acquisition, the behavior, the conversation, the conversions actually carried out on the website. So it works on elements as very and vital as the following, right? The number of visits, their duration, the sources of traffic, as well as visitor pages. All right. So actually, they will give you a lot of information, and this will really help you to make your decision correctly. So what makes analytics a complete tool is that it's compatible with the rest of the Google tools. All right. So how does Google Analytics work? All right, the analytics program can actually collect information from your site with the help of JavaScript code. All right, that can actually include in your pages and the cookies that are generated once the user accesses the web browser through a web browser. So the operation of Google Analytics is actually based on three processes mainly. All right. So the first process is actually the collection of data. The second is actually the processing of data, as well as the creation of reports. All right. So Google Analytics they actually allows you to configure many types of objectives. All right. The four primary objectives in Google Analytics are destination, right? It defines specific locations. Duration, it also marks the length of the session, as well as pages, screens per session. It is the number of pages visited in the same session, as well as event, which is also activate an action that you have previously defined as an event. So what are the most important metrics in the analytics? All right, of course, is the average time on the page. And of course, the reference, the interest. All right, and the next question people usually ask is what is social media analytics? All right, social media analytics refers to the approach of collecting data from social media sites and blogs and evaluating the data to make a business decision. So four reasons why social media analytics are essential. All right, of course, is to measure your ROI and prove your marketing impact. Is to make better strategic and business decision. Is to compare your social media performance against competitors, as well as to track marketing teams efficiency. All right, so let's look at the key areas to use social media analytics. Firstly, of course, is the audience analytics. Secondly, of course, is the performance analytics. Then, of course, is the competitive analytics. And of course, is the paid social media analytics, influencer analytics. All right, so social media analytics is actually crucial to social media marketing. All right, there's no point in marketing if you cannot see whether you are doing well or not. So the whole point of this module, right, in short, is to actually measure and to actually understand the measurement and analysis that will enable you to actually prove your impact. All right, constantly improve your performance, optimize budget, create a strategy, and actually form genuine relationship with your audience. All right, so if you are a content marketer, right, the message is clear. It's very important for you to track, measure, analyze, and make sure that you have the tools to do it. All right, so I hope that you learned something from this module, and I'll see you in the next module.